Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. So this is the monthly Patreon giveaway for the month of March. Just a couple days late posting this, but better late than never. Anyhow, so for those of you that aren't aware, I do have a Patreon page running to support the channel, and one of the reward tiers is that if you're supporting at the $2 level or higher, you will get entered into a monthly giveaway for what you see here, random prizes, vary month to month. So yeah, let's get into it. So before I announce the winner, let's just go through the prizes. So I still have a few Paraclaws to give away. So this month, of course, another Paraclaw included. So that's always really cool. Got a few tutorials on how to make bracelets with those. Then next, this is just a kind of like a brass fish hook, or not really fish hook, brass hook, spring-loaded hook keychain. Now you could tie a lanyard onto here, and normally I would tie something here, but I wanted to give this to the winner just as it is, so you can make your own lanyard however you want. So I thought that'd be kind of fun, and I'll probably throw in a bit of paracord too. So I'll throw that in with some paracord, and of course the one prize that's always going to be each month is the Weavers of Eternity fish hook keychain. So if you'll notice, we did this one a little different this time. We did a fishtail weave instead of the cobra knots, which came out really nice. And of course with the red and black striped paracord on the natural brass finish, looks awesome. And of course I've got my custom tag there too, and a couple of split rings. All right, so I have randomly pre-selected my winner, and the winner for this month is Mike L. Mike L, congratulations, you are this month's Patreon giveaway winner. I will email you very shortly to get your shipping details so I can get this stuff sent out to you. And yeah, that is it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. A huge thank you to all the Patreon supporters. You guys are making a huge difference for this channel, and the landscape of YouTube is always changing, so it's good to have you supporters supporting me and helping this channel go on and do great things, and I always appreciate that. Also, if you're just usual viewer or subscriber, thank you for watching the videos too and supporting the channel that way. So that is it for this video, this month's giveaway. If you're interested in getting in on this Patreon giveaway, links to my Patreon page are down below, also annotated in this video. And yeah, you can get all the details there. All right, so guys, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you on the next video.